Today we're looking at the hydrogen-like atom interactive calculator, an essential tool for engineers working with atomic spectroscopy, laser design, and quantum electronic devices. This calculator solves the fundamental problem of determining energy states, transition wavelengths, and other critical parameters for hydrogen-like ions, which are single electron systems with varying nuclear charges. Let's examine the inputs. First, we have the calculation mode dropdown with 6 options: energy level, orbital radius, transition wavelength, ionization energy, Rydberg constant for ion, and electron velocity. For this demonstration, we'll select transition wavelength, which is crucial for spectroscopic applications. Next is atomic number Z, where 1 represents hydrogen, 2 represents helium+, and 3 represents lithium 2+. The principal quantum number n defines the electron's energy level, with n equals 1 being the ground state. For transition calculations, we have initial level n1 for the higher energy state, and final level n2 for the lower energy state. Let's work through a practical example. We'll calculate the wavelength for the famous Lyman alpha transition in hydrogen. Set atomic number to 1, initial level n1 to 2, and final level n2 to 1. Click Calculate. The primary result shows 121.6 nanometers, which matches the well-known Lyman alpha line used in astronomy and plasma diagnostics. This wavelength tells us the exact photon energy emitted when an electron transitions between these levels. A critical insight: always ensure N1 is greater than N2 for emission calculations, as electrons naturally fall to lower energy states, releasing photons in the process. Find the link in the description below.